Hi, my name is Brooke Kramer, and I am the Financial Aid Officer with Argosy University, and today we're going to talk about how to make a free scholarship guide. And pretty much what this is a guide normally listed on the internet listing numerous types of scholarships. So if you're planning on making one of these guides, the first thing you're going to need to do is create a website and then start researching different types of scholarships you will want to place onto your website. I highly advise that you research the types of scholarships you are listing to ensure that they aren't fraudulent scholarships. I would highly advise you list federal scholarships available as well as scholarships universities offer and possibly as well as some company scholarships. Once you get these picked out, you will then want to split up your website into different types of scholarships, academic scholarships, community service scholarships. This way it's easier for students to actually preview these scholarships on your web. If you have additional questions regarding Pell Grant, you can visit our website at www.argosy.edu.